Hello everyone! Today I'm applying a chelated iron to my hydrangeas and I decided to take you with me and explain what exactly I'm doing and why. Last year, almost all of my hydrangeas, if not all of them actually, suffered pretty severely from chlorosis, which is basically iron deficiency in plants. You can spot it when you see the leaves starting to turn light green or even yellow and they have dark green veining. And what I show you here is not chlorosis. These are my hydrangeas that are just leafing out and the leaves are bright and fresh and light, but this is not chlorosis. I just wanted to show you the state that they're just leafing out at the moment. So last year I definitely dropped the ball and I allowed my hydrangeas to really suffer. This year I want to stay on top of the game and apply some chelated iron early into the season so that my plants are happy and healthy. Usually, the chlorosis appears because you either don't have enough iron into the soil or because the soil is too alkaline and just prevents the plants to absorb the iron that is in the soil, which I think is my case. Because, as you know, the hydrangeas, first of all, are really sensitive towards acidity in the soil. They prefer more acidic soil. And my hydrangeas always and very quickly turn pink, which to me is a sign that my soil is more alkaline. So that's why I want to stay on top of the game and apply chelated iron early and just prevent the whole process from happening. I took a look on all my other plants, no signs of chlorosis on my roses and trees, so I applied it only on the plants in this bed, which is the hydrangea bed. You can apply chelated iron on the leaves by spraying, which gives really quick results, but also keeps the risk of burning the leaves. So if you have to apply the chelated iron on the leaves, which usually is when the plant is really severely damaged and you need quick results, then you have to make sure that there is no direct sunlight on the leaves after applying the chelated iron. The other method is just to apply it on the soil, and the specific one that I'm using says that you dilute the powder into water and you have to make sure that at least 10 centimeters of the soil are moist, just to make sure that you have applied enough um, of the liquid. So this is what I did. I was really generous. I applied a huge amount of the diluted iron into water just to make sure the plants receive enough. I did exactly the same to the other 10 hydrangeas that I have in my front garden, and I think this is going to be absolutely enough for the season. Of course, I'm going to be really careful and reapply if necessary. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for spending the day with me in my garden. I really hope to see you soon. Bye!